You're good.
Hey everyone, Alex, Patterson, Indianapolis. Why is my hair sticking up? Anyway, DCI syringe, right? You're familiar with these, the push ring style where you push that button to get the tip out. So let's talk about what happens when you're using the water and then you switch to air and water still spurts out. So what do? How do you fix that? So Sharon here, Patterson Tech, Indianapolis, is going to show us how.
Okay, so when you have, we call that crossover. So when you have water coming out, when you switch back and forth between the air and the water, you're going to want to take your syringe tip out. You're going to want to take your 5/30 seconds Allen wrench. It'll just sit right down inside of there. Unscrew that. Be careful, there's a spring underneath it. And right down inside there is a teeny tiny O-ring. You'll want to replace that O-ring. You can use ADEC parts for this. I'm a firm believer that ADEC parts are more robust and the longevity is a whole lot longer. Same size O-ring. So you just replace the O-ring and drop it down in there. Then you're going to want to take, the trick is to take your Allen wrench and try to seat it down in the little hole. You'll know it's seated when it's flush. Then you're going to want to take your spring when it falls out, because inevitably it will. And you'll notice that there is a little divot. And on the bottom of this, there is a little pin. You want to make sure that those are lined up. If you don't have them lined up before you put this back together, you won't be able to put your syringe tip in. So you just want to take that, kind of wiggle it, seat it, and then slowly start to turn it. Again, don't crank down on it. You'll cause yourself a whole lot more issues in the end. Put your syringe tip back in, and you're good to go.
Good to go. Okay.